Stellar Lumens XLM price prediction 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be talking about this huge Stellar Lumens breakout. This breakout has been fueled by this news. Ukraine taps Stellar to develop digital assets infrastructure, including CBDC framework. This is a massive news, and XLM has pumped massively. So we're going to talk about this news. We're going to do a price prediction, and at the end of the video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis to get into Stellar Lumens. Where are my price targets? And if you've bought it, well, you can look to take profit. If you haven't bought it, I'll share with you your strategy to get into XLM. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So like most coins, guys, Stellar Lumen had a big pump near the end of the year. Then it's been consolidating. Then January, guys, with Bitcoin breaking into new highs, my focus has been Bitcoin, and you can check out the other videos, other coins that we're trading. Highly recommend you go watch. We're doing a live stream, by the way, this Sunday, free live stream on YouTube. I try and do this once a month or every other month. So make sure you set the reminder and turn on the notification button. You can ask me any questions. This is a sample of live streams that I do in the group 3 to 4 times a week. We talk about every trade. We share an XLM trade strategy to get into XLM. So if you're interested, I'll leave the links below. But yeah, make sure you click the reminder button. There's loads of coins that are breaking out. See a couple of the videos, VChain, watch the top 5 videos, which coins are breaking out. But XLM has joined the party, and because of this news, it didn't really give a pullback. It's literally just gone parabolic. So what I'm looking for XLM now is to consolidate, and I'm looking to get into XLM around 28 to 25 cents. If we get a 4-hourly pullback around here, I would look to get into XLM. If we get a bigger pullback to 20 cents, I'd definitely just buy XLM. But I'm not sure if we'll get this pullback, especially with this news. When we see pumps like this, it's difficult to get in. So if you, for example, if you look at VChain broke out. I'll recommend you go watch the video. The price is already up from when I made that video, so I highly recommend you guys go watch that video. And I shared exactly how we traded it, my stops, my entries beforehand. This was posted on 28th of December in the group, and I also made videos on YouTube for you guys to check out. So VChain didn't do that. VChain just pumped like parabolic straight up, and it's difficult to get into that using my strategy. If there was a pullback, I shared this. I think some people in the group got in on a pullback, little pullback here. That was a nice trade. Now we're looking for a bigger pullback to get into XLM. If you like XLM fundamentally, you can look to buy some. As long as we're above 25-28 zone, I think this is bullish. So that's the strategy to get in. Let's have a quick look at XLM BTC, then I'll share with you my price targets for XLM. So XLM BTC, I've got XLM BTC saved here. So XLM BTC, I really want XLM BTC to stay above this daily moving average and stay above 1,000 to 800. I don't want XLM to get below this 50% 618 zone. If XLM starts getting below here, then I won't be too interested, but I think this will probably consolidate further and then carry on. If XLM BTC breaks into new highs above 1200, I think XLM can carry on a lot higher. I'll touch on the USD price targets, but as you can see, this has been accumulating for a while. I took XLM trades here. It didn't really follow through, so not all my calls work perfectly. This was the XLM trade I took. It was about 20% trade. It wasn't the best trade, but if XLM breaks out above this red zone and the market that we're in, we can really see massive gains in XLM. So I'll go back to XLM USD before I touch on my price targets on XLM USD. Let's quickly review the news. So this is massive news. I talk about use cases and adoption, and that's what we want to see. We want to see real use cases, and Stellar Lumens is doing that. Another narrative to it is, XRP is struggling. People say XRP and XLM are in a similar industry. I don't think so. XLM is quite different in my opinion, but XLM, lots of XRP sellers could be coming into XLM as well. So that could be another narrative that might be having an impact. People have messaged me saying, should they sell their XRP for XLM? So that might be another narrative pushing the price up. But the big news, as you can see, the Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation announced it would be using Stellar to launch a national digital currency. The country is looking to work with Stellar Development Foundation to develop an infrastructure for stablecoin implementation and regulation. I really hope that in my country, UK, gets involved in cryptocurrency as well, because this is the future in my opinion, and the quicker you get into a blockchain, the better it is. I don't want UK to fall behind. So Stellar Development Foundation has signed an agreement with the Ukrainian government. This is a massive news, and I think the price shows that the impact of this news. And from a technical analysis, this is a potential first wave ABC correction, and we're in a third wave, so we're going to get in on a pullback and push towards that level. So that's the big news. Just to share with you my price targets. I think that's what I'm looking to get into XLM, around 30 cent, 28 to 25 cent. This is a zone. Again, I look for a setup. Again, make sure you have a strategy. I keep repeating myself, this is the best time to trade. Even if you're new, you know, you're not got the best strategy, people are making money, so make sure you have risk management. I'll touch on a key Bitcoin buying the dip in our group. I'll touch on that at the end of the video. If you just, you know, listen to that, it's really important to have a strategy. Otherwise, you're trading with emotions. You know, when Bitcoin dumps, you don't buy the pullback. Again, I'm going on a rant, but this is really important. When Bitcoin had this dump, people have been saying, buy the Bitcoin dump, buy the Bitcoin dump. Bitcoin is not dumping. It gave you a 20% dump, but did any of you get in? So that's the question. Did any of you buy the pullback in Bitcoin when it gave that pullback? Most people, you know, not most people say that, oh, I'll buy a pullback, but when they get that pullback, they don't buy it. So make sure you're not driven by FOMO. You're not buying when things are going up and up. You're actually buying when things dump, and stick to your strategy. Don't be fearful when you get that pullback in this market. So one of the questions I asked in the group was, how many people actually bought this pullback? I posted exactly, you know, my buy zones when it was dumping. You can see the price there when I said I was buying, and the buy zones that I shared. Now it's up there. So, you know, make sure you have a strategy and take advantage of it. That's one of the key things I can share. And take profit. Those two lessons, if you take advantage of it, you know, last time when we had an altcoin season, it lasted 2-3 months, and as long as you dealt with those two things, you know, not giving away to emotions and taking profit, you'll do well. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. We've not seen this market in 2-3 years. So that's my little rant over. Let's come back to the XLM video and share with you my price targets before I end the video. So the next target I'm looking for is a 50 cent level. This is where, if you get this pullback entry, I'd look to target that level. Above 50 cent, guys, this is going to be a huge breakout, similar to when Bitcoin broke 10k or, you know, 12k level. I can't see any resistances until, you know, potentially around the $1 mark. You know, this is a very, very key zone. There's resistance around 70 cents, similar to the XRP chart really, but that's where I'll look to take profit and then try to ride it. If the Bitcoin doesn't do anything crazy, I think XLM can reach those targets. That's my video. Comment below your price predictions. Do you think those targets are achievable? Comment below your price predictions and your thoughts on XLM. This is quite a good news, and again, I'm not, you know, done lot of research on XLM, as much as research I've done on VeChain and other currencies that we are trading in the Rockstar Trading channel, but I'm going to do a bit more, and this news is definitely good, not just for XLM, for the whole cryptocurrency market. So comment below your price predictions, and again, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, make sure you join us on Sunday, the free live stream. Comment below any questions or any coin requests you want me to look at. Comment here and I'll review it. So it will be an hour or so video long live stream, Sunday 8 p.m. UK time, and hopefully this time suits people in North America, Asia, wherever you are. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, check out the educational group if you're interested. Is the last month you get access to a course for that price. The price is going up at the end of the month to $39.99. So if you are interested, check it below. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go XLM.